I'm Sarah Sedwick. I'm an oil painter based in Eugene, Oregon, and I'm a friend and a member of Maude Kerns Art Center. I got involved with Maude Kerns in 2011 when my work was first shown there. I started attending open studio regularly, painting from live models. When I began teaching painting, Maude Kerns was one of my first gigs. My work is inspired by light and color. I paint still lifes, and it can be difficult to talk about them since they are what they are. They're not narrative or political. There's usually no hidden message. They're an open invitation to bring your own stuff to the table. What do the images call up in you? In this crazy world, an opportunity to slow down and let something overtake you, rather than having to force it into understanding, is the value that I hope my work holds for you. The pleasure I get from perceiving beauty, that tingling sensation in the base of my skull, maybe a slight relaxation around my eyes, is what I feel on my best days when I'm painting, and I try to surround myself with it in the art I collect as well. So, still life painting. I call what I do loose realism. I find it harder to stop before I'm 100% sure I'm finished than to keep working at a painting, or even one small area of a painting endlessly. And that's how any looseness that I manage to bring to my canvases is achieved. Self-restraint, pausing during the process, moving from one thing to another, letting the whole painting come up together. These are my goals, and the things I encourage my students to focus on as well. Teaching is a huge part of my art practice. I always say I get more from my students than they do from me. I teach oil painting workshops on still life and portrait, 3 or 4 days of focused painting. It can be intense, and the results are immediate and so inspiring. I also mentor artists online, which is a fantastic opportunity for me to work with students all over the world on a long-term basis. Most of my mentees stay with me for several months to years. We explore the fundamentals, lots of focus on composition, color mixing, seeing like an artist, and also just support for life stuff, motivation, finding inspiration, marketing, selling and showing art, all kinds of things. I want to create an environment both in my live workshops and my online teaching where students feel free to take risks, to fail. To improve, we need to paint a lot, but love and enjoyment are the key. Keep it simple, go back to basics regularly, and always be on the lookout for beauty in the small things. Thanks for making this video, Maude Kerns. I'm looking forward to my solo show there in May 2020.